In the dead of night, tears fall like rain. Cry myself to sleep, whispering your name, hoping you would hear me on the other side, where broken hearts and lost dreams reside. I lay awake, staring at the ceiling's cracks, hoping you would come by, no turning back. But the door is untouched, a silent plea. Oh, I miss your touch, the warmth you gave to me. Your hug's a sanctuary now, just a ghost. I feel so empty, alone, paying the cost. Inside a hollow echo, a vacant space, hoping you will come by, fill this desolate place. Your bedside is getting colder, days are getting older. Each tick of the clock, a painful story told in the symphony of sorrow. One truth remains, I miss you, a constant